income.
So what the hell were you thinking taking Reese to some hooker?
Ese ubundi wakigabo wewe watekerezaga ibice ujya gufata Liz ukamujyana mu nzu y'indaya. Yuko umugore wa Liz yamafatiye.
You know they got engaged last night?
Ntabwo wari ubizi ko ijoro ryatambutse aribwo yamwambitse impeta.
Sure.
Kumbe yamwambitse impeta si yanda.
Talked about it all day. Just had to go pick up a fabric shipment and
nanjye nari nagiye kurangura ibitambaro n'uriya mujinga nawe aramperekeza.
Bag and porter. We got a little business on the side, but
natwe tugira utu business two ku ruhande rega.
You know, I spend most of my money on cars and
kubera ko amafaranga yanjye menshi nyata mu bagore no mu modoka.
Not in that order, I hope.
Excuse me.
nyanganira hakurya aga telefone karasana. Banze njye guhindura imyenda shushube baje gusangirira mu rugo iwe. No. Zaku narabanza gabanya radio. Ari ku ga telefone urebe.
Yeah, listen.
Yego ndakumva nakwongera radio. Umaze kugira imibare ingana gute? To. Okay, bahamagara umugabo. Ewa dodo murugo rw'umugabo James Liz. Umva wari uri kumbwira harya ngo wagiye kurangura ibitambaro wowe na ujyana na fiance wanje. Ubwo nabonaga kare.
I'm not really in the clothing business.
Umva ntababeshye narimbabeshye nanga ibintu byo kudoda mbirimo by'imyenda reka.
I'm actually in the cloak and dagger division of the embassy.
Nkora muri ambassade muri division.
Like my boy.
Kurura imbarutso n'ibiki nk'umusore wanje uri hano.
Mostly cloak.
Umva.
Mostly dagger.
Killed anyone today?
Uyu munsi hari umuntu mwishe.
Well, let's see.
Reka turebe.
One and a
Kwishumwe.
hour on average, I'd say.
Muri saa twicaga nk'umuntu kiri kubabwiza ukuri ariko aba ntibabyumva. Bari kugira ngo bari kubeshye
And what type of people did you kill today, James?
James uyu munsi wishe abantu bameze
The usual.
nk'abasanzwe
Guys.
n'abantu babiri abantu
As bad as they are, suicide vested.
ibikinga bijya kwiyahura byambaye amaveste
Cold-hearted Pakistani motherfuckers inside.
n'ibigoryi by'ibinyepakistani
Karachi.
to hakuno umukobwa arikanga sho yumvishe ko bishe abantu babyitaga imikino.
No, well, seriously, I mean, we took down a whole terrorist cell today.
n'ababeshi uyu munsi twashyize hasi agatsiko k'ibyihebe.
That's what we were doing in the elevator when you saw us.
Nibyo twari turi gukora muri esanseri cyagiye umbonana n'indaya urabyibuka. Sheri wakubwije ukuri do.
But he's being modest.